Hey guys, welcome. Digit has partnered with Onleaks to bring you details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to Onleaks, the design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is very close to the Galaxy Note20. The Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a 6.8-inch curved display. At the back, it is expected to house a quad camera setup with a unique P-shaped design. In conjunction with past leaks, it looks like the S22 Ultra will have a slot for the S Pen stylus. Does this mean the Samsung Galaxy Note series is dead? Only time will tell. Lastly, the Galaxy S22 Ultra measures roughly 163.2 mm by 77.9 mm by 8.9 mm, 10.5 mm including the rear camera bump. That was a quick look at what we can expect from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thanks for watching.